The Big Bang, did it disperse matter in all directions somewhat equally? If so, and the universe is expanding in all directions, what happens in the space where the Big Bang happened? Look at that.
Isaac Newton, my
Yeah,
man.
right.
So Isaac Newton argued that the universe must be infinite after he discovered his laws of gravity.
Right.
Must be infinite. Because if it's not, all the matter will find a center to fall to. And it would all fall to form one great heap of mass. But it's an infinite, then there's no one place is not more special than another.
Right.
Now, he didn't imagine that you can then live in an expanding universe.
Right.
That was outside of his worldview.
Yeah.
An expanding universe, you're not all going to fall to one spot because there's a force preventing that.
Okay.
In our case, we call it dark energy. So with that place where the center occurred no longer exists in space. It only exists in time.
Right.
The timeline, if you go back to the beginning of time, on that axis, when you get there, all the matter will be in the same place. You go forward, the expansion of the universe, you don't have access to that point in that space. So I'll give you an example. So if you have a balloon and you're inflating the balloon,
Right.
you start out, the balloon is like tiny,
Yeah.
right? That's the Big Bang, okay? Or the whole balloon is in one spot right there. Now you start blowing on it, it expands away from that spot.
Right.
Is that spot on the surface of the balloon? No. It's in the center of the balloon. How do I get to the center of the balloon? Turn back time. And the balloon gets smaller and smaller and smaller. Now you're back at the center.
Right.
So
You'd have to shrink the universe
by going backwards
by going
in time.
backwards in time.
Exactly. So the center exists, but not in the space coordinate. It exists in the time coordinate.
There you go.
Yeah.